Hi kids, how are you today? I hope that you are super good today. Welcome back to Clemente and Thoughts School. Week number 7, class number 2. Portraits. Okay, portraits. That is the name of our week. Portraits. Okay, let's see what do we have. Remember, for your English class, you need this. Take out your material, activity book, class book, etc. on your desk. Read and listen to the instructions. Watch the super videos and do the activities. Today, for example, we are going to play a video game. Ask questions to the teacher by the classroom. In this case, you have thinkers, balance, or communicators. Chat when you need help. Online classroom rules. Number 1, turn off your microphones. Number 2, wait for your turn to participate. Number 3, use the chat if you need to say something. Objectives: to talk about portraits, to create our own portrait. Okay, let's see, what do we have? Video game. Let's play this video game. Remember, the link is at Cubicle in this class, okay? Week number 7, class number 2, okay, at Cubicle. Let's practice our vocabulary. Adjectives to describe people. Class book, page 16, activity number 1. Rich. Repeat after me, okay? Rich. Pool. Pool. Rich. Pool. Happy. Happy. Sad. Sad. Angry. Angry. Serious. Serious. Okay, let's continue. So, what do we have here? We have our class book on page 16. Activity number 2 and activity number 3. This part is a little bit difficult, so please pay attention, okay? We have here our portraits. Let's listen and repeat. But teacher, what is portraits? Look at this. Portraits are those. This is a portrait. Teacher, yes. It's like a picture. Look at this. A portrait is a picture of a person. It can be a painting, a drawing, or even a photo. Okay. It's a picture of a person, okay? Portrait can be realistic or abstract. A realistic portrait looks like the person. An abstract portrait looks different from the person. Okay, let's listen, okay? Let's listen and read together.
Listening 1.26. Listen, read, and answer.
A portrait is a picture of a person. It can be a painting, a drawing, or a photo. A portrait can be realistic or abstract. A realistic portrait looks like the person. An abstract portrait looks different from the person. This is a portrait of Sylvette by Picasso. It is a realistic portrait. This is another portrait of Sylvette. It is an abstract portrait. Which portrait of Sylvette do you like best? Look at these portraits. Which portrait is realistic? Which portrait is abstract?
Okay, super good. So, what are we going to do now? Let's look at this. We have two. We have the abstract and realistic. Remember, look at this. In this picture, in this portrait, This one is a realistic. Yes, it looks like a photo. Or yes, this looks very similar to the person. And in the second one, we have an abstract. This is an abstract, okay? Yes, realistic and abstract. So now, which one do you like best? Which one do you like best? Realistic or abstract? Okay, let's think. In my case, I like the realistic one. What about you? Okay, super good your answer. Now, look at the portrait. Let's go to the activity number 3, okay? Look at the portraits of Sylvette. Write true or false. Okay, in the portrait of Sylvette, she has got long hair, yes or no? She has got long hair, yes or no? Tell me. In those two, yes. She has got long hair, yes or no? Yes, teacher. That is true. Okay. You are going to continue with the number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay? Let's continue with activities. Now let's go to our class book on page 17, activity number 1. Tell me about this portrait. Okay, you're going to tell me, okay? Tell me. This is the most important. Let's go and let's listen. We are going to listen to an audio. And we are going to number, okay? We are going to number according to the audio. The order of the audio, okay? The order of the audio. So let's listen.
Listening 1.27. Listen and say which portrait.
Tell me about this portrait.
It's a painting. It's a woman. She's got a red hat.
Is she happy?
I don't know. I think she's serious.
Look at this. So, I heard that she seems to be serious and she has a red hat. Yes, so a red hat and a serious face. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, this picture. Yes, this picture is going to be the number 1 because we listen according to the audio, okay? Let's continue with all the complete audio and let's number according to the order, okay? According to the order. Let's listen again. 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead.
Listening 1.27. Listen and say which portrait.
Tell me about this portrait.
It's a painting. It's a woman. She's got a red hat.
Is she happy?
I don't know. I think she's serious.
Tell me about this portrait.
It's a photo. It's a man. He's laughing.
Is he happy?
Yes, I think he's very happy.
Tell me about this portrait.
It's a painting. It's a girl. She's got brown hair and a pink ribbon.
Yes?
I think she's poor. I think she's sad too.
Tell me about this portrait.
It's a painting. It's a woman. She's got red hair. I think she's rich.
Tell me about this portrait.
It's a painting. It's a man. He's wearing a hat and purple trousers and a purple jacket.
Yes?
He's got a guitar.
Tell me about this portrait.
It's a man.
Is he happy?
No, I think he's angry.
Now that you listen, you are going to order, okay? Let's continue with the next activity. And let's see. Okay, class book page 18, lesson 11. My own portrait. We are going to create our own portrait. Let's see what do we have to do. Look at this. Who is she? She's Dora the Explorer. Yes, she's Dora. Do you like Dora? Yes or no? Yes, we have seen many times Dora. You are going to draw, okay? In this part, you are going to draw your own picture, okay? Remember, and super important, this is a portrait of, who is the character? A teacher Dora. Dora the Explorer. Use adjectives to describe. Okay, she is happy, maybe she's serious, according to that. And describe his or her clothes. Okay, remember to describe his or her clothes. Remember, this is just an example, okay? This is just my example, okay? Take in count this, Excellent, let's continue. Let's think a little bit. What did you learn today? Today you learned to talk about portraits and also to create our own portrait. Thank you very much, guys. It was a pleasure to work with you. Remember, images retrieved from those web pages. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you.